Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burrito filling. Begin by gathering all ingredients and setting your messy end plate. Cook proteins over medium-high heat, letting them brown thoroughly to develop rich flavor. Break up meat or crumble tofu as it cooks to create a consistent texture for rolling. After browning, remove excess fat or liquid so the filling stays firm and cohesive. Return proteins to the pan with spices and deglaze with a splash of stock or salsa to capture all the brown bits. Simmer briefly so flavors meld without drying out the filling. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to set timers, play music, and control smart lights while you cook. It's handy and fun. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for considering that little boost to your kitchen setup. Now let's get back to the video. Warm cooked rice and beans separately, keeping their textures slightly firm to avoid a pasty filling. Sauté peppers, onions, and corn until tender crisp so each bite has a mix of textures. Stir vegetables into the protein, then fold in rice and beans a little at a time to evenly distribute flavors. Finish with chopped cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and a pinch of salt to brighten everything before folding into tortillas for serving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.